ArcGIS Online. There are many advantages while using ArcGIS Online for Create ArcGIS Dashboard.
Before I continue with the processing of ArcGIS Dashboard, let me explain a little bit about ArcGIS Dashboard. ArcGIS Dashboards, an application builder product that creates configurable dashboard to visualize data, communicate information, and analyze real-time data in a single screen. It integrates with ArcGIS and allows users to create dashboard using visual elements to gain insight and communicate information effectively. Dashboard can easily be shared and accessed, making it a powerful tool for collaboration and decision making. Alright, so how does this ArcGIS dashboard works? ArcGIS dashboard gives users the ability to create and share interactive data visualization for real-time insights and analysis. Users can use various data sources to create maps, charts, and other visualization in our dashboard. Dashboard also displays data in a user-friendly web interface, providing a comprehensive view for user stakeholders. There are various advantages while using the ArcGIS dashboard, such as interactive visualization. User can explore the data more dynamically and easy to understand. The second advantage is real-time data monitoring between the organization in the department. And the last advantage is user-friendly interface for reduced learning curve to learn dashboard. Alright, I will continue with the process of ArcGIS dashboard. Firstly, open ArcGIS Online, then sign in the account. After that, click on Content. The windows will appear like this, and then click on New Item. Then click on Feature Layer. Then click on Define Your Own Layer and click Next. And then for this step, for Layer 1, choose Point Layer. For Layer 2, choose Line Layer. And then for Layer 3, choose Polygon Layer. And then click Next. And then for this step, save the title as your project name. After that, click Save. After these windows appear, click on Open in Map Viewer. After that, click on Open in Map Viewer Classic and then click Leave. Then after these windows appear, click on Add and Add Layer from File and then choose File. Choose the file that gonna be used in this ArcGIS dashboard. And then click Open. Then click on Import Layer. The data will appear on the base map in ArcGIS Online, as we can see on these windows. Then for the attribute, add all of the year attribute in this legend. Then you can try to edit or adjust the option or the circle of the data on the legend. This is for change the color or change the shape. Also, you can adjust the size of the circle, whether want to big or want to small circle. After done, click on Done. As we can see, if we click on the circle, the data will appear. For change the base map, click on base map, choose the suitable base map. After done, click on Save As, and then type the title for your project. After that, click on Save Map. After that, click on Share, and then click on Create a Web App. After that, click on ArcGIS Dashboard, and then scroll down, then click Done. This is for the ArcGIS Dashboard section. As we can see, there have a various button that we can use. So we can change the theme. As we can see here, have a various of element that we can use in this ArcGIS dashboard. For the first element, try to use serial chart and then choose dashboard data. Here we can try to edit or choose the data that want to appear on the dashboard. Here, the results after choose the data using serial chart. Next, try to use Map Legend. Here we can see the legend from the data that we obtained before. We also can adjust the layout. Then try to use pie chart element. Click on dashboard data. Here we can choose the data that want to use on the pie chart. We also can adjust the color by the pie chart. Then choose table element. Click on dashboard. Then choose the field that want to be used in the table element. adjust the layout on the dashboard. For insert the dashboard title, click on Add Header and then edit the title. We also can add a label on the title. The label will appear besides the title like this. After finish, click Done. The title will appear above the dashboard like this. After that, click Save. Then go to Home. Click on Content. And then click on the dashboard that you have been created before. Click on Open Dashboard. This is the final results after create dashboard. Here we can see the legend from the map. Also, we can see the data from the table. So the data from the pie chart and serial chart.